Walk into any forest, and you'll see peace. Sunlight filtering through leaves, birds singing, trees standing quietly. But you're witnessing a battlefield. Beneath the calm surface, invisible wars rage every second. Chemical attacks, biological invasions, brutal territorial conflicts. The forest isn't peaceful. We just can't see the violence. Survival in the forest means three things: eliminate competition, defend territory, and destroy enemies before they destroy you. Trees wage chemical warfare, releasing toxins through their roots. Fungi hijack insects' brains, turning them into zombie puppets. Predators battle viciously over invisible boundary lines. This isn't cooperation. It's strategic combat, refined over millions of years. The black walnut tree produces juglone, a toxic compound that leaks from its roots, leaves, and bark. Any plant within 50 feet begins to die. Tomatoes wilt, azaleas yellow and collapse. The walnut doesn't compete for sunlight and nutrients. It poisons the competition entirely. The toxin persists in soil for years after the tree dies. It's chemical scorched earth. Deep in tropical forests, carpenter ants march along their aerial trails. Then one ant makes contact with a single Cordyceps fungus spore. The spore penetrates its exoskeleton and spreads through the ant's body like an infection. Within days, the fungus hijacks the ant's nervous system. The infected ant abandons its colony, climbs exactly 25 centimeters up a plant stem, and clamps its jaws in a death grip. The ant dies, but the fungus is just beginning. A stalk erupts from the ant's head, showering spores onto the forest floor below. More ants, more infections. The cycle continues. Meanwhile, parasitic wasps inject their eggs into living caterpillars. Wasp larvae hatch inside, drinking the caterpillar's blood and eating its tissue. Strategically, they avoid vital organs, keeping their host alive as long as possible. When fully grown, the larvae chew through the caterpillar's skin and emerge. Some caterpillars survive, only to stand guard over the wasp cocoons, enslaved by chemicals the larvae left behind. Wolf packs patrol territories spanning hundreds of square miles. They mark boundaries with scent and howls, warning rival packs to stay away. When warnings fail, battles erupt. Approximately half of all wolf deaths result from fights with other wolves. These aren't brief skirmishes. Packs coordinate attacks, target weak members, and fight to kill. A pack with just one extra wolf has 140% better odds of winning. Here's what makes forest warfare extraordinary: its sophistication. Black walnut trees don't randomly produce toxins. They increase juglone levels when competition intensifies. Cordyceps fungi have evolved over 200 species, each targeting a specific insect host with surgical precision. Parasitic wasps inject domesticated viruses alongside their eggs, biological weapons refined over 100 million years. Even territorial battles follow strategic patterns. Wolves assess opponents' strength before engaging. They factor in pack size, experience, and territorial advantage. If the odds are wrong, they retreat. This isn't mindless violence, it's calculated warfare. Scientists studying forest ecosystems now understand that competition isn't just about who grows fastest or hunts best. It's about who deploys the most effective weapons. Chemical warfare eliminates rivals without physical confrontation. Biological warfare turns enemies into unwitting allies. Behavioral warfare secures resources through force and intimidation. The forest appears peaceful because we operate on the wrong timescale. Trees release toxins slowly. Fungi infections take weeks. Territorial boundaries shift over months. But compress time, and you'd see a war zone. Chemicals flowing like nerve gas, zombie armies spreading through ant colonies, wolf packs clashing at invisible borders. The calm forest is an illusion. The real forest is armed and dangerous.